In this Liquid Web hosting review, I am going to show everything that you need to know about Liquid Web, including the speed test, ease of use, pricing, customer support review, and pros and cons. So make sure to watch the full video till the end. Also, if you're ready to make a Liquid Web hosting purchase after this review, then consider purchasing it from the link given in the description below this video and get yourself a discount if one's available. Liquid Web is a business-class web hosting company that has designed its services around individuals and organizations who need more than just shared hosting providers. In fact, Liquid Web doesn't even offer shared hosting. If you're rerunning a WooCommerce store, enterprise website, learning management system, LMS, or something that requires dedicated server resources, Liquid Web is one of many hosts that deliver. Let's talk about Liquid Web pricing. Now you can see Liquid Web has so many product offerings to do with hosting. They pretty much have everything from dedicated hosting to cloud, even VPS hosting, and they also have Managed WordPress Hosting here. And that's the one that most people will be interested in, so we're going to choose Managed WordPress Hosting to analyze and test out. Now if you use our link from the description and you've come to the pricing page, you'll see some extra promo discount there if it's available. So make sure you use this promo code and enter it into the coupon field when you're in the checkout to get this extra discount. From their pricing plan, you can see that their cheapest plan is a Spark plan, which starts at $13.30 per month. And you can have one website, 15 gigabytes of storage, and 2 terabytes of bandwidth. And you can go all the way up to the enterprise plan, which is 250 websites. But for most people, the top 4 plans will be the ones you'll be choosing. So Liquid Web makes it very easy for you to choose your plan, as it's pretty much based on the number of websites you need for one site, 5 sites, 10 sites, 25 sites, etc. As their bandwidth is not the determining factor here, unlike most other hosting providers. Now let's talk about Liquid Web's top 3 features. So the first one is no traffic limit. This means they never charge for view counts or if you go over their bandwidth limit. Their bandwidth set the plan will automatically auto-scale and they won't charge us. Second must-have feature that Liquid Web provides is automatic daily backups. This is expected nowadays, but a lot of hosting providers don't give you this. So well done to Liquid Web here. The last great feature here that Liquid Web offers is it will migrate your website for free. This means all you have to do once you sign up is to let their team know that you want to move your website over. And they will do this for you manually for free. This will save you a lot of time and is a great feature. They provide you all the expected features of a managed WordPress hosting provider. They have their Nexus CDN and the automatic daily backup is provided for free. And they also use their servers, which they say is faster than renting servers from companies like DigitalOcean or Vultr. Now let's talk about Liquid Web ease of use. Right away from their home page, you can see it looks very easy to navigate with the custom user interface compared to the cPanel that a lot of other hosting providers use. The design is also very clean and simple. So their main menu is on the left tab, and once you have accessed the website you want to work on, everything is laid out in their sub-menu nicely. So for example, if you want to do something with your domain name, then you go to the domain section. If you want to add an SSL certificate, you can do it, but if you want to access your website, you can do that from the environment section. So installing WordPress, Liquid Web CDN, SSL certificate, and creating an email account, all are very easy using the dashboard. We think all users, especially beginners, would love how clean their user interface is and just how easy it is to navigate and do things on your site. And it was very easy to install everything, and we can't fault them on anything in this category here. Now let's talk about Liquid Web speed and performance. So after we have installed the basic WordPress site, then we added some design elements to it to increase the page size. We were also going to install some free plugins to speed up the website. WP Fastest Cache, which is for speed optimization, and Short Pixel, which is for image optimization. And lastly, we will install their suggested Nexus CDN instead of our usual Cloudflare CDN. This content delivery network will also increase the website performance free of charge. Then we went ahead and tested out the speed of our website using GT metrics. And the result is 1.4 seconds, which makes them one of the fastest hosting providers. And they easily pass Google's recommended site load speed of 2 to 3 seconds. Now we have also been monitoring the stability performance of Liquid Web with Uptime Robot, and can report that their uptime for the last 30 days is a perfect 100%. They have not had any downtime for 50 days in a row, which is very impressive. They have amazing speeds, one of the best we've tested, and uptime is solid too. So well done to Liquid Web overall in the performance department. Now let's talk about Liquid Web customer support. Liquid Web provides 24/7 customer support through email, live chat, and phone support. We contacted him at 3 different times of the day to make sure we get an overall average and not just a bias-fast response time during their off-peak hours. And the average of those times turns out to be around 1 minute and 11-second wait, which is one of the fastest response times from a hosting provider that we've tested. We think the max wait time for any hosting company should be kept to under 5 minutes, which Liquid Web passes very easily. We would say their support overall was average at best. They can help us and solve our problems. Their response time was also best, which is almost 1 minute and 11 seconds on average. Now let's talk about pros and cons of Liquid Web. So the first pro is the fastest page load speed of 1.4 seconds and great uptime performance. Also, they have an easy-to-use cPanel. And 8 server locations are available. Free website migration and no traffic limit as well. And last, customer support response time is great. Talking about the cons. So the first con is that they don't have a 30-day money-back guarantee for Managed WordPress Hosting. And the last con is that their customer support can't be able to install Cloudflare CDN for me. So these are the only 2 downsides of Liquid in my review. Now let's talk about who should purchase Liquid Web Hosting. Liquid Web is right up there when it comes to price, speed, features, and ease of use. The only letdown for Liquid Web, in this case, was their customer support. So this is our recommendation for you if you are a beginner or even an advanced user looking for an affordable managed WordPress hosting provider with great performance. Then Liquid Web is a very solid option that we think you should seriously consider. Liquid Web Hosting is one of the fastest web hostings we have tested, and if you are looking for the fastest web hosting, then Liquid Web is the right choice for you. Also, if you're ready to make a web hosting purchase after this review, then consider purchasing it from the link in the description below this video and get yourself a discount. You can subscribe to this channel to stay updated with more reviews videos like this. Thanks for watching.